Okay, we are starting these questions based on time, speed, and distance. Like as you can see, speed ratio is A ratio B, then time ratio would be B ratio A, as speed is inversely proportional to time. Let us say if you have been given in the question, ratio of two speed is 2 ratio 5. So you have to find to cover a certain distance. If A is taking 30 seconds, then B will take how much time? Okay. So see, we can solve this question like this. As it has been given in the question, the ratio of speed is 2 is to 5. So you can say the ratio of time would be 5 is to 2. So if I write like
Yes, sir.
1 upon S2 equal to T2 upon T1. So instead of S1 upon S2, I would write 2 upon 5 T2. And the time T1 is 30 because they have given in the question like 8 takes 30 minutes. So I have put 30 here. So T2 would be equal to 12.
Mm.
Just cross multiply.
Yes, sir.
There is one another method of solving this question. We can solve it like this. See, speed ratio they have given 2 ratio 5. Time ratio would be 5 is to 2. So but this 5 is equal to 30 second. As it has been given in the question, A is taking 30 seconds. So I can say this 5 equal to 30 second. So 1 would be equal to 30 upon
Mm.
6 seconds. So this 2 would be equal to 2 into 6, 12 seconds. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We can also
Yes, sir.
solve this question
Clear,
by
sir.
this method. Okay, let's come to this one. In covering a certain distance, the ratio of two speed has been given to you like this. And if A takes 30 minutes more than B to reach destination, find time taken by A to reach destination. See, the thing to note is in this they have given you A is taking 30 minutes more than B. Okay, 30 minutes more than B. This is the catch in the question. See, ratio of speed is 3 is to 4.
30 plus X.
Yes, so you can solve it like this also. Ratio of speed
Yes,
is
sir.
3 ratio 4. Ratio of time would be 4 ratio 3. Now, one ratio, see, what is the difference between 4 and 3? 4 minus 3 is 1. This A, 4, 1 more than B. So, one ratio is equal to 30 upon 60 hour. This 30 is the minute which they have given. A is taking more. So, here A is 1 more than B. So, I can say 1 ratio equal to 30 upon 60 or half hour. So, 4 ratio would be equal to 4 into 1 by 2, 2 hour. So, even if I have to find the time by B, it would be 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 hour. Okay. Here is saying A is taking 30 minutes more than B. Na? So A is 1 ratio more than B. So I can say 1 ratio equal to 30.60 or 1 by 2 hours. So 4 ratio would be equal to 4 into 1 by 2. So this is one shortcut trick to solve the question. You can solve it this way also. Let us come to one more question. Like A and B start at the same time with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour and 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. And if A take 15 minutes longer than B, then what is the total distance of journey? Again, in this question, the catch is like A is taking 15 minutes more than B. So first of all, we can find the ratio of speed as we have done in the previous question, 40 ratio
Yes, sir.
4,
4
that
is to
4
4
is
is
to
to
5.
5 and 5 is to.
So time would be 5 is to 4. Again, the
Yes,
difference
sir.
is 1 ratio equal to 15 upon 60, 1 upon 4th hour. So 5 ratio would be equal to 5 by 4 hour. Now they're asking you
Yes, sir.
the distance. Distance formula, you know, speed into time. What is the speed? Speed 5 by 4, speed is 40 and time is 5.4. Answer would be 50 kilometers. Okay. In this question,
Yes, sir.
asked you one extra thing. They've asked you the distance. Rest is same. Rest question is same. If you look carefully, so these are some slightly different question. All these three, they are based on that formula number 9. This formula, like ratio of speed has been given. The ratio of time would be B ratio